slippery. Hold up. I want to try to do a donut. Hold on. Oh, holy crap, bro. That's crazy. It is mad slippery, dude. Oh, this is crazy. Whoa. Holy. Nah, I'm gonna go slow, brother. I'm gonna go slow, bro. Ooh. Oh, crap. Just a little turn I could wipe out at any moment, so. Hold up. Like, dude, just look at all that snow. Like, hold up. Okay, we're good. Oh, crap, I don't think that was good. Whoa. Oh, crap. Holy crap. Bro. Oh, yeah, bro. That was sick. Oh, no, this is dangerous. Whoop. Okay. Look at that, bro. It's beautiful, but dangerous at the same time, dude. Hold up. Hold up, bro. There's so much snow. And I know it's Colorado, we get a ton of snow every day. But, like, I've never rode in the snow, and now I'm realizing how much snow there is. Never floor it. Oh, yep, never floor it like that. Whoa! Holy crap. Skirt! Oh, this is fun. Holy. Skirt! Dude, I wish y'all could see how much snow is behind me. Oh my. Bro. Oh crap, that's a lot of snow. Oh yeah, this is dangerous. This is very dangerous. Holy shark. Oh. Holy crap, almost fell. Oh gosh. Whoa. Woo! This is fun. Yeah, we gotta be careful. I'm not going into fourth gear. I might as well stay in second. Pretty sure this is second. Yeah, this is first, so this is second. Oh, oh my gosh. Woo! Dude, look at that snowdrift right there. Like, the ground's flat and it's that deep. Oh crap. Oh, I'm stuck. Oh crap. This is fun, dude. Hold up. Hold up. Dude, my legs are freezing. But that's okay. Skirt! 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 perfectly. Okay, the fort that we're building is doing pretty well, honestly. Oh god, it's gonna be cold if we don't get that finished though. Oh gosh. Dude, my feet are freaking freezing. Like, look at my freaking feet, bro. Oh gosh. I need to keep my feet up more. Dude, everything's smoking. Look at all this, bro. My whole dirt bike's like smoking because of how cold it is. Hold up, bro. This is actually crazy, dude. Oh, I just need a break because my freaking feet are cold. Oh, it's cold. The snow's colder than it is out here. You know why? Because it's pretty much ice. So, like, who would have knew? Like, I'm a genius, guys. So, like, yeah, this snow's deep, bro. Deep. Like, look at how tall that snowdrift is. I'm gonna let this thing cool off. It's like, look how freaking deep this is. Like, come here, hold up. Look at that. And we didn't even go, that's just, like, it's just being covered. It's way deeper than it looks. And that's where we did all the donuts and stuff. But dude, that's crazy. This is some redneck stuff. I'm from Alabama, so we're used to it, right? Oh my gosh. Okay. We're not going home just yet. Oh crap. Hold up. Beautiful. Oh god. Oh my gosh. Ugh. Who made these tracks, dude? Like, who goes onto their property, somebody else's property and does this? Actually, no, this is our property. Never mind. Holy. Oh no! Guys, I think we went the wrong direction. Holy moly, guacamole, what, I don't even, oh, I'm trying so hard. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, just go through. goes like 4 inches in some areas. Like down there, bro. Like, hold on. Okay. Like right here and stuff, dude. This snow's like 4 inches deep. Like that. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Woohoo! Hold up, we need to find a cleaner area. Oh yeah. Hold up, there's tracks, dude. There's tracks. What kind of animal was that? Oh gosh. What the freak? Is that like a chicken or something? Holy crap. No, that could be a bunny actually. I think that's a rabbit. Yeah, that's definitely a rabbit. Has to be. It's a jackrabbit, I bet. Holy crap. Look at all this fun possibilities. Whoa! I may not have rode this thing for a while, but I'd still know how to drive it and have fun with it. Woohoo! Let's freaking go, bro. Let's freaking go. Woo, this is fun. Y'all see that difference? That's because I placed my foot right there and I was sliding just then, bro. Whew. This exhaust makes for a good heater, you know? Just warm your hands up with the exhaust. Oh, that feels good. Oh, the smell of exhaust is amazing. Holy crap, that was... Oh gosh, I'm gonna take a break. No! She's about to die. Don't die on me, please. Oh gosh. Dude, there's snow melting from it. Wait, you wanna see how fast it melts the snow, bro? That's like instant. Look at that. Hold up, let's see how hot this stuff is. That's crazy, bro. Whew, it's loud too. Yeah. Hold on, let me see how long this video's been going. Oh, crap, only 15 minutes? Oh, okay. Holy crap, you can see where... Oh. There's condensation on the front of on the camera. Hold on. Okay, it's not that. It's fine. It's okay. We're gonna do some more drifting. Cue the Tokyo Drift music. Bing, 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 bing. Oh yeah. Broski, this is fun! Shift this bad boy in the second gear. Oh, it's ice. Oh crap, hold up. Okay. Shift this bad boy in the second gear and you'll be going. Like, so fun! Why don't I ever do this? Why do I never do this? I'm boring, dude. But this is fun. Holy. I could have fell off at any time over there, bro. Holy crap, bro. This is crazy. Woohoo! Let's freaking go, bro. Oh, let's go, brother. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I'm so cold, but I'm sweating at the same time. Oh, my legs. Dude, it's like holding up a truck with your legs. No, I'm just kidding. It's like a little less than a truck, but it's kind of heavy. Because it could fall on my leg and it could break it instantly, bro. My leg could snap like a twig at any moment. I can drift without my leg, but it might be a bit dangerous. See? Yeah, that's dangerous. Whoa. Holy crap. Whoo-wee. Zooey mama. I don't even got like snow pants on. I just got shoes and pants on, bro. And the jacket and stuff. 2 jackets, actually. That's probably why I'm sweating. Holy freak. My legs hurt. Oh, gosh. So I got snow in my shoes. Feels like I've been 500 Jews. Wait, what? No, that's kind of, that sounds racist, dude. Never mind. Oh, whoa. You get a car. You get a car. Hey, who wants to talk about the economic political state of the world right now? In my opinion, all I gotta say is,